little artists. Are you ready to draw something super fun? Today, we are drawing a cute umbrella. Grab your black marker and let's start. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's begin by drawing the top part of our umbrella. Start with a big curved line, just like a rainbow. Now, add more curved lines to make the umbrella look real and strong. Now, let's draw the umbrella's handle. Draw a long, straight line coming down from the middle of the umbrella. At the end, curve it into a little hook shape. This is where we hold the umbrella. Great job, everyone! Now, let's make our drawing pop by making the outline bold and sharp. Trace over your lines with your marker to make them stand out. Wow! You did fantastic!
Yay!
It's coloring time. Let's use bright rainbow colors to make our umbrella look amazing. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! Doesn't it look beautiful? You did an awesome job today. Your umbrella looks colorful and super cute. Keep practicing and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.